Is your home insured against wind damage? Are you sure? The answer can depend on where you live. Most mortgage lenders require that a home purchaser get homeowner's insurance as a condition of the loan in order to protect the bank if the home is destroyed. Even if your mortgage is paid off, you probably still have a standard Homeowners 3 insurance policy. That type of policy tends to cover losses from windstorms, tornadoes, and certain other disasters, but not all. Typically, earthquakes, floods, and mudslides are excluded and require additional types of insurance. Read the fine print on your policy to ensure you know what coverage you really have and the dollar amount of coverage included for each type of loss. Deductibles may range from 1% to 5% of a home's insured value, although in high-risk areas, hurricane deductibles may be higher. There are two kinds of wind damage deductibles: hurricane deductibles, which apply to damage solely from hurricanes, and windstorm or wind-hail deductibles, which apply to any kind of wind damage. In some coastal areas with high wind risk, hurricane deductibles may be higher than other deductibles. There are special deductible rules for 19 states that include Alabama, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Mississippi, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Keep in mind that after a loss, the insured is expected to take steps to mitigate the loss, and filing a claim may result in an increase in rates or in non-renewal or cancellation.